when you do what I do, pain is inevitable. I'm Jocelyn. I'm a fitness trainer, physical therapist aide, and multi-sports athlete. Muscle soreness, aches, and bruising are part of my daily life. That's why fast recovery is so important to me. GEO has been amazing. It's easy, convenient, and super effective with localizing pain and helping my daily recovery. All I have to do is stick it, turn it on, and forget it. I'm always on the go, so every minute counts. I can't just roll out a knot or massage my muscles anytime I want. Adding GEO into my daily recovery has helped me save a lot of time and energy. I can get relief whenever, wherever. It's made of graphene, a super light material that emits far infrared heat in seconds. Far infrared heat helps increase blood circulation for fast recovery without medication. This helps accelerate your body's natural healing. GEO helps me get back to the gym faster and go more intense every day. The adhesive is reusable, hypoallergenic, and made of medical-grade silicone. It's extremely versatile. I can use it anywhere on my body. GEO has been an absolute game changer for me. GEO makes recovery faster and more convenient, giving me the edge to push harder every day. Whether you're looking for relief or looking to increase your performance, GEO gets the job done. Try it out for yourself. You'll feel the difference.